All right, good morning, guys. Today we are trading mini NQ. We already have some positions live. Took some shorts. It's Monday. Let's see if we can manage these positions all at once. Right here. Thank you. All right, we got 3 trades in. This account is closed. This account got shut down, so we can go ahead and let this trade start in its theme. Excuse all the old analysis throughout the week. So everything you guys are seeing on screen. Just take out the majority of all this. Cool. I'm gonna get into breaking this down. This is clearly London's session. Right. We did have this liquidity sweep, basically the highest high. Right. London's high. That would be London's main, but we respected. I'm breaking London's low. That's what we want to see. Currently respecting London's low, but see if we could get a forced breakout, melt a little bit down here. See a sweep of this liquidity area. That already happened. We did want to go lower. Come down to here, fill in this gap. At least to fill in the gap. This is the play we're going for, basically. Took shorts a little early, but did see market start pulling back. I mean, it wants to close a little high, indecision, so we could get a reversal. I saw the entry when I was on the phone. I took the trade. Nevertheless, let's see what we can do here. You have that very big bearish candle come up, rejected. We did get this sweep already. If it came down to here, that would be amazing. It is 20 minutes into this new hour candle, so we started off very big. The seller stepped in after claiming that recent high. Market didn't want to push any higher. It was a resistance area. 7 minutes to this 30-minute close. This is looking like a good ad. 5-1 contract. Order fill. Under TPO. Have conviction in your trade. This is going well, but let it do its thing. Volume down out. This 5-minute push at that nice order block. Hopefully market starts to do the move we are anticipating. We're in that golden rejection zone of the Fibonacci level. So everything's looking good for the most part. We just want to see sellers step in at this point of interest area. Bearish engulfing 5-minute close. It's exactly what we wanted to see. And I want to break London's high. If we break through, we're golden. Straight break of that trend line. I want to see if we could get a close. Bare minimum under here. We 9100 level. I will be golden to hold at least to these take profit zones. Be patient. I'm going to close out one contract in this guy just to manage some risk. Close out one. Now I'll be comfortable. Market wants to reverse. Come stomp us out. We can. Comfortable with that risk. 3 contracts. And this is a 100K count. All right. Close that one contract in profit. Haven't taken a loss on that account in regards to my 50K account. So I did take a loss on this guy because I closed positions and entered higher. I accidentally went in on 3 contracts. So I was basically 5 contracts maxed here. So I closed 3. I meant to click my group. I forgot to click my group. I'm not really used to trading with Tradeovate, but gotta be more disciplined in what I'm doing because that could have been bad. But we got our trades doing their thing. I'm watching Trading View on my phone, if you guys are wondering. But did touch at 91 level. We're melting through it right now. 17 seconds till that close. Let's see how I want to close on the 3-minute. Buyers are stepping in, man. We got double touch in the golden zone on my Fibonacci tool. Could be pretty cheeky. Gonna put stop loss to break even. Trade run. Order rejected. What the hell, boy? Why did it reject? Oh, buy orders are selling, so buy stuff. Alright, volume is stepping in. 2 minutes to 5-minute close. Kinda wanna trim. I'm gonna leave this screen right here. Let's see what's going on. Have conviction in the trades. We just started the move. We're bearish engulfing. Just be patient. People are taking take profits. That's why candles pull up. People that short, they can take profits. It's pushing up. I would like to see volume hold. Our side isn't oversold yet. We're coming to London's low. Our south side sitting. That's 22 pips above my entry. So 24 pips above my entry on that buy stop. So market does want to reverse, come back up. In this 100K count, we're done. And then I have better entry on my 50K. All right, better entry, but stop loss is at break even. I was thinking about just closing the position, recovering and profiting 200 for the day, but as I said, have conviction in your trades. These candles are pretty big with volume compared to what we were seeing on buy side, so everything's looking good for now. Just be careful. That's all I gotta say. Just be careful, man. Secure some more profit just in case, because all right, I'm watching these markets, man. 3 minutes to this 15-minute close. I would love to see it close below. Market's dumping. Heavy 15-minute close on that. 40 seconds to close. Moving stop losses to break even on all accounts now. At this point, we're just managing risk. All stops are break even. Boom and boom. All right. Rather be safe than sorry, but we'll see if this trade runs. Order filled. done. The fact we're at London's low, bro, what I've been seeing with my strategy this past month, every time we want to come back to London low, we're going to come all the way back up, at least to this area where some sellers can step in with some high orders. Sellers could either come all the way back up, respect London's low, because it is a high point of interest area for buyers to step in, at least for a quick reversal to the upside. Sometimes it will break through, and we might see market come down, claim sell side liquidity for 50 more points, then come do what I'm saying. But honestly, didn't like the risk we had today. Felt too much emotions in this trade. Originally, we took sell orders here, bro. We literally were sitting in drawdown 35 minutes before we started seeing a reversal. 35 minutes and 91 pips. And I had my psychological stop loss at 100 points. I didn't want to see my account lose more than $600. So keep in mind, we took entries there, held for 35 minutes. I added a sell position. Didn't like that over leveraged risk because we did end up pulling up and I started losing more. Thankfully, market respected that 5-minute supply zone that I thought was going to hold. Fat engulfing candles, momentum and volume step in, wick reject, but we were going down, and then the rest was history. You guys seen the other accounts and whatnot. We were trading those, recovered. Trading all 3 today. Oh shit, what's going on here? Hold on. I gotta make sure I'm out of every position, cause whoa, thank God, bro. I wasn't in my, wow, thank God, man. That's so scary, cause I didn't have my RTP group to exit all and close all. Wow. Well, hey, at least we were able to catch a few more pips, right? Chill. You guys just saw we closed out on this account 700 something. We had taken that loss, $200 earlier. Entered in too early. Market did go down. Claimed its sell side. Flew up, respected. Buy in, flew all the way up to this 5-minute supply. I was in drawdown, bro, sitting in drawdown. And then over here, I started doing some trade of 8 stuff, and I accidentally wasn't in my group. As you just seen again right now, I wasn't in my group. I added 3 more contracts, so I was max cons for risk, and I did not want to even test it, so I closed. And then it brought my position all the way back up here for sells, right? And we held. I was in some drawdown, but then thankfully market just boom, and immediately on this candle, we were now in profit. So we were able to get a better entry, recover those profits for a $500 win for the day. I already lost this account. This account got stumped. But on my other 50K account, we just need 1 more G and we passed. This one was good too. Everything was just replicated on the same accounts. Perfect sell. You guys can see right here, got a few more pips. Nice entry. It's just managing the risk, man. Capital preservation. Sometimes it's inevitable to be in drawdown. As long as you don't over risk or over leverage yourself, you'll be all right. I even added to these positions after you guys seen that. But why? Because I had conviction in my trade, conviction in my setup. Look at this resistance we're seeing at this level. This is why I closed. I didn't want the anxiety. I didn't want the stress or the pressure. But you guys almost see me leave those trades running. So I would have been so sad. Thankfully, I started doing these recordings and actually being more self-aware in what I'm doing. So it's holding myself accountable and I'm learning lessons quicker. I knew that resistance was going to happen at London low. I didn't want to be part of that. It can continue to trend lower and end up hitting, as it always does, the Fibonacci levels that you guys seen earlier, from swing high to swing low. All right, that was a trade breakdown. As you guys seen, bro, just following the Fibonacci retracement tool. Once you're in these golden zones, just manage your risk while you're floating in this range, because this always works, bro. And even if it's up in this 0.86 level, if you're following the true trend, you're golden. Like, look, we might even get that to the upside if we do this. Literally, market might fly bullish because we're following the true trend that happened. The only reason I'm expecting it to go lower is to fill this gap. That's what we were looking for, but that might happen throughout the week. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Possibilities are endless, man. Just gotta be able to read what's going on. But we're done for the day. I don't want to put more capital up. Too much stress and anxiety for no reason. It's just sometimes, bro, I can't help but feel it. You get me? Even though I know what I'm doing, I'm still trading. You get me? 400 on this account, 500 on that account, 400 on that account. Pretty good. I like it. I'll take it. We good. Woke up at what? 6:30. Clapped them. We gotta hit 6K in profit on this account. If I really wanted, I could really use that 400 in a standard lot. Nah, I'm joking. I really do want to pass this 100K account. This thing could be life changing if I get it funded. These accounts pay a lot of money, man. Already 2,200 up in 2 days. And today I was trading moderately with this account because I was trading all 3. I didn't want to trade all 3, but I did. It's cool. That's why I had more anxiety and whatnot. Took on more risk than I would have liked trading 3 accounts. Tomorrow, I'm able to adapt, able to live and learn. We have some more headroom, so don't want to click more buttons today. You guys got to remember, bro, we got to live to trade another day. Capital preservation. The market was hesitant to give me my money. I almost wanted to close out my positions, but I had conviction in my trade because my 5-minute supply zone did not get disrespected. So thankfully, we had that bearish engulfing candles. The volume step in, sellers. We were overbought here. That smart money trap. So you guys seen above here. Boom. Smart money trap. From there, the rest was history, man. We just bing, bop, boot, bang, pow. Bullish flag pattern, channeling, breakthrough, short type of deal. Did some little cheeky things like that. Really got sell side gonna come down here. Feel me? That is trading. It's just not trying to do all that today. You get me? Maybe if I had traded one account, profited, traded another account, taking that trade, managing different accounts and whatnot, but traded all accounts, closed with profit, and we are done. That's 1 hour, 10 minutes of trading and recording time. Keep in mind, I took these positions and entries on my phone, and the rest was history. I don't want y'all to think we're trading short and then I'm gonna close my position and take buys. That's not what I would do. I said that was a potential once the 1 hour liquidity zone was ran. Maybe down here, maybe I might look for a buy just to like a resistance area for an actual higher risk short, just on that quick pullback. That's what I would have been looking for, but that's like more advanced. So I don't want you guys to think that this was exhausted just because we saw buyers stepping in and getting wick rejected. That's a straight fill of a basic imbalance. Respecting the halfway point in the market within these candlesticks. Think of it like a fair value gap. 5-minute supply, dropping on 1 minute. You get me? Way too smooth, but smart money trap, whatever you want to say. But all these things add confluence to your trade. So could have done a high risk, 33-point trade, one lot on NASDAQ. Would have got you a lot of money, bruh. It's all possible. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found some value and knowledge in this video. The transparency is there, bro. I take you guys to the emotion, psychology, risk management, and honestly, I do it for myself as well. This is like my journaling. You know what I mean? It helps me out. I don't even get ready. I don't even do my hair or nothing. I just literally wake up, go make my coffee, turn on my setup, bro. It's literally my laptop connected to my mouse and keyboard. And then we just hop on the charts. I open OBS, start talking to y'all, trying to teach you guys whatever type of value I can provide. More in general, I'm telling you, I'm teaching myself a lot. It's helping me stay disciplined, and I'm able to reflect on my strategy, back testing type of things. But that's beautiful. We could have held the trade for a few more minutes and ended up doubling the initial reward. So basically that would have been like $1,000 down here. Not tripping, but we are learning. You get me? As I said, I was anxious. I had mentally burnt myself already with all that drawdown, adding and closing all those accounts, as I already mentioned. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the content. I do recommend you guys to start journaling. If you are not journaling, make sure you have your strategy in a written format where every morning, as long as you see this and read it once before you hop on the charts, you now know what the goal is. So some of us are just mindlessly trading. We know technical analysis, we know to manage our risk, but when we step in the markets, we don't know what we're looking for, and we limit ourselves. And sometimes we don't even take profit when the profit is on our screen because we don't know what we're looking for. Make sure to have those rules written down. Do it with your hand and a pen and paper, bro. And if you mess up writing them, start over or white out the mistake. Don't make it look ugly. You know what I'm saying? Treat this like a business. Respect your capital, bro. Money's fake, but it's real. You feel me? You need money to survive. It's not no joke. Just learn this skill, bro. This thing is awesome, honestly, bro. Yeah, I might even give another rejection right here. Like just that we're talking about it right now. You get me? We might literally get another rejection right here because yeah, it's just looking good. Am I gonna take shorts? Hell no. Not putting no risk. We live to trade tomorrow, my boy. If you did want to, what I'd be looking for, one of these trades you're gonna be able to hold all the way down to this level, but that's just usually what my strategy goes for. But you might want to see an entry over here. All depends, man. Might be getting exhausted. That's it for me for today. If you guys like these contents that I'm pushing for y'all, make sure to spread them. Show me some love, bro. Join the Discord. I'm gonna start making some educational content for you guys, for beginners, teaching supply and demand, technical analysis, how to get started in futures and whatnot. So keep an eye out for that. That is on the way. Just got to get a few things situated first within my actual life, and then we're gonna get on that, start producing that content for you guys. It's just a lot of strategizing right now, and the behind the scenes. Nevertheless, trade smart, be disciplined, risk management, follow your rules. If you do not have a system, create your system. And let's get to this money, man. Come on. The only person you're sleeping on is yourself at this point, my boy. Get to it. Feel me? We got goals, we got ambitions, and we got dreams. We got to build. We got to accomplish all this before our doomsday comes, bro, because that's inevitable. What are you trying to do while you're here, bro? With your limited physical time, but your ultimate ability. This is all true. This is all real. This is all deep. Anyways, trade safe. Love y'all. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Talk to y'all soon. It's your boy Matt. Peace.